Hi, this is Mike Casha, Vice President of Sales and Business Development for Magic Shields. I want to record a quick video, how-to video, so to explain to our team how to create a email signature in Hubspot so that when we send our communications to our customer, we have a consistent professional look in the footer of our emails. So first off, you can see my screen here, and I'm logged into HubSpot. All of you should have access and know how to get there, so I've skipped that step. The first thing you want to do is click on your gear right here, and then focus your eyes on General, and right here is an Email tab. So Email tab, and then scroll down, and you see Manage Email Signatures. Click on that. And I already have a default signature. You guys don't, so let's create one, add new, so that I can show you how it looks when you're doing new. So if I do, call it third signature for me, and next I want to click on the HTML, because we're going to write a little bit of web code, you might say, for in here that's going to make everything easy. So click on HTML, and we're going to leave HubSpot. Just leave it here and open, because we're going to come back to that. Open up another tab in your browser using the link I provide an email called Free Email Signature Template Generator. And this is a HubSpot application, so it works really nice. So first thing you do is click Create My Signature. I've already created one, so these are already filled in. But you get the idea: first and last name, your title, the company name, mobile number, the Magic Shields website, your email address, and of course that's painting in all this over here automatically and formatting it for you so that you don't have to. Your address is important. Whether it be a P.O. box or whatever. I think it's good that customers know, hey, this person's in my state or not. Then LinkedIn, in the email I sent you, we'll have a LinkedIn link that you can copy and paste into here, so you don't have to work hard for that. And keep scrolling down here. That's about it. Hit next. Oh, there was one thing here. We can probably uncheck created with HubSpot, because we don't need to advertise for them. And then hit next. Profile picture, I recommend that you do put a profile picture in there, but it's not mandatory. The way I got this was I went to my LinkedIn page and right mouse clicked. I might as well do it here. Go to LinkedIn. So in my particular case, here's my picture. So you right mouse click it, and what you want to do is copy the link. So let's see. Copy link. And then go back and then paste that link right in here. That's how you can do it if you have a LinkedIn picture. Then the company logo, it's the same methodology, but I went ahead and got the link for the Magic Shield logo, so you guys don't have to. You just copy and paste it from the email. And then go next. Click template 1 so that we're all consistent. And then hitting next. Now it's going to pick your color scheme. And to make it consistent, rather than click here and pick a color, there's no way we're all going to pick the same exact color. So the easiest way to do this scientifically is just you guys put F7A, F63 in here. And I put that in the, and then 0, and then 1E27CD. All of these colors are in your email that I sent you. So you should be set for that. Then hit next, and we're done with the signal. With the this is basically generating code for HubSpot, and you just go copy signature source code. It says successfully. And now I go to my other tab where I told you we were clicking HTML, and then we're going right here, and Control V is usually a nice paste quick key to put that in there, and then you hit save. And that's it. I could say use this as my default signature, save, cancel, and now to test it, I'll go to the CRM right here and find a contact, and I'll use Lisa as an example. I'm going to click Lisa's contact information, click her email, and her email's right there, and the footer's already pasted in there for you. And that concludes the video.